good, and now let's look how Marts and Dana will show us Paso Doble routine with count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Now let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now let's look at the same Paso Doble choreography, but this time in slow motion. So we start with Chasse to right. We take close hold, open promenade, and dance promenade to counter promenade. We finish facing to center and dance grand circle. Notice the man's turn on count 6. And then we continue with traveling spins from counter promenade position. Notice ladies' spiral type of turns. And we finish with promenade close. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite angle. So we start with Chasse to right, take close hold, then open promenade with appel and go to promenade to counter promenade. We finish in promenade facing to center and dance grand circle. Lady goes around, man turns on count 6. We continue with traveling spins from counter promenade position. And again notice the lady's spiral type of turns. And promenade close. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Marts and Dana. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.